Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I am going to suggest you to try the top 5 products from K Beauty. So I'm a big fan of K Beauty products. I have tried all of them, starting from their eyeliners, the recently launched eyeshadow palette. So I have tried everything and I have been constantly using from when they launch. So I'm gonna share you the top 5 products that I actually loved using more and more, and actually I like to repurchase, restock, and I'll be keep on using these products. So to know what are the products I'm going to suggest you, and if you haven't tried K Beauty, then you must try these products because these are the best products from K Beauty and also from drugstore. So if you want to know, do continue watching, and if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the first product I'm going to recommend is their foundation. So this is the K Beauty hydrating foundation enriched with avocado and mango butter. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm not a person who keeps outer packaging, but this is very precious, very nice to keep this packaging. So that's why I kept it safely, because I'll be keep on whenever I travel. I used to take this foundation with me. That's why I kept the packaging. That much I love the foundation. So this is what the outer packaging, the original packaging of the foundation looks like. I have done a full review weight test, like I have done a 9 hours weight test on this foundation. So this was the longest tested foundation in my foundation testing. So I just went ahead and tested this foundation for almost 11 hours. So the best foundation I could say from a drugstore, and also the hydrating formula makes your skin very hydrated, doesn't dry out your face at all. So being an oily skin person, I don't like to use a hydrating foundation or something says dewy like that. I want my foundation to be always matte. But when I tried this foundation, I thought it might be dewy only, but when I tested for 11 hours, I just went ahead and keep on using this foundation. It just blends beautifully into the skin. It's a medium to full coverage, so it's not like a thick foundation. It's very liquidy in formula, like a creamy liquidy in formula, blends beautifully into the skins, leaves your skin very natural looking good. Like, it doesn't make your skin matte or dewy, it makes your skin very natural and covers your scars, anything if you have. So like that, you can build up your foundation according to your wish, like however you want the coverage, you can make this work. So this foundation doesn't grease up at all, so however you apply, it stays like that. So you might see a little bit of grease in it, like oiliness on your T-zone. So if you have extremely oily skin, that you can set with your compact powder. So it throughout the day you don't feel dryness, it doesn't crease it or cake up, so it just makes your skin very natural throughout the day. Definitely you need to try this foundation. If you want to see the full demo and weight test, I'm gonna leave the link over here. You can go ahead and watch that. So the next product in my list is the K Beauty matte compact powder. I'm in the shade 160Y. I bought a little bit of lighter shade to match other products. I'm a big fan of this compact powder, guys. I was using the Maybelline Fit Me. Even now also I like the Maybelline Fit Me one, but when compared to that, I really like this one. It's very lightweight compact powder. It makes your skin very matte, and if you have a oily skin, it sets your skin beautifully without leaving greasy at all. Sometimes we see little bit of cakiness after some time of applying powders, but this doesn't do like that. You can travel, you can set wherever you go. It's just very sleek. You get a mirror, everything, and the formula is very mild. So initially, before they launched this powder, I was a big fan of Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. Even now I like that powder, but when compared to Maybelline Fit Me, I like this one the most, because the lightweightness of the powder, and it just covers your skin very nicely. It has a little bit of coverage also without if you don't apply any kind of base product also, also you can go ahead and try this one. It just sets your face very nicely, so I really recommend you to try this one. So not only for oily skin people, if you're a dry skin also, you can go ahead and try this one. You can use this compact powders to set your under eyes, so it just sets your under eyes very nicely. So the next product I have is their blush. This is their matte blush in the shade Tickled Pink. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is similar to their compact powder, and you get a mirror, and the pigmentation of this blush is the core. I'm gonna swatch you a little bit. As you can see, so the pigmentation is very nice, and it stays up to 4 to 5 hours. Almost for 5 hours I have tested this blush. It was staying on my skin, so after once your skin leaves your oily, it might go, but till 5 hours you can see that blush is still on your skin, and this doesn't make your skin dry or anything. It just blends beautifully into the foundation. Whatever the base product you're using, it just blends beautifully into the skin. I really like this blush, guys. Please go ahead and try this one. The next product in my list is eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. I have 2 of them. So this is the new one. I haven't opened the packaging. This currently I'm using this one. So even for this eyeliner I have done a full review, so I'm gonna leave the link over here. You can go ahead and check. So because of the wand, it makes your eyeliners very nicely to create. So the thin wand is really nice. You can create your wing liners very easily. So pigmented, you don't have to apply 2 to 3 layers to get that very intense liner. It just one swipe, you get that awesome liner. So if you want a thin or thick, however, you can go ahead and create your wing or a normal eyeliner. So definitely recommended to try. So the last product in my list is the lip liner. So this is what it looks like. The most used lip liner in my life is this one. This is the shade Fame. So whatever lip shade I'm using, I like to go ahead and line my lips. So if you have followed me from long time, you know I have been using this lip liner. As you can see, I'm this much I have. So I'm a big fan of this lip liner. It blends beautifully into the skin. Like, it's very creamy formula. It just glides on your lips, and the pigmentation is very damn good. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit. So as you can see, the pigmentation is very nice. You don't have to use a lipstick also. It's just very pigmented. You can fill your lips with the lip liner only. The best formula in a lip liner, so it's worth the price. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching this top 5 products from Kay Beauty. The best products from Kay Beauty, guys. Definitely you need to try if you haven't tried any of the products from Kay Beauty. So hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below what is your opinion, and if you want me to suggest any of the other brands product, do let me know in the comments. I will definitely do another video recommending top 5 products from a single brand. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care. Mwah.